Hey guys, so today we have a Five and Below haul slash perfume review, but more of a perfume review because I only got two other things other than perfume. And if you haven't seen my other Five and Below perfume reviews, I will link them up here somewhere. Yeah, if you want to go look at it and check it out. Yep. Okay, but first we're gonna start off with two things that aren't perfume. These candles, they were so cute, and I thought they were gonna smell good. Well, one does and one doesn't. And you're probably like, well, why'd you get it if it doesn't smell good? I DoorDashed it. Yes, DoorDash sponsored me. I love me some DoorDash. I waste all my money on there. But yes, so starting off with the peppermint mocha latte candle, I thought this was gonna be amazing. I thought it was gonna smell like a holiday, Christmassy lattes, whatever. No, it stinks. It smells, to me, it smells like that nasty fake chocolatey smell. It's horrible. It stinks. It just smells nothing like a good holiday. But this one right here, we got blueberry boba. This is so cute. I seen that and I was like, I kind of got to get that one for the looks. I love a candle. If you know me, I love a good cute candle. This one, yes, it's like a blueberry sweet. I don't know, it doesn't really give like a tea boba scent in my opinion, but it's just like a sweet blueberry. It's good. I don't know if I want to light that or not because it's just so cute. But anyways, let's get on to the perfumes. We have Paris Lights Platinum, okay? These ones also have an, wait, hold on, because I have another Paris Lights. I think this is just like the original, and then this one's like the shebang, right? It's supposed to be the big deal, I guess. But these are supposed to be Paris Hilton dupes, so I seen. I don't know, maybe, maybe not. Spade, hold on, girl. I'll let you out in about like 5 minutes, okay? Oh, okay. Well, these just fell out of my hand. See, look, you're distracting me. Get away. Back up. Back up. All right. Now we have Island Coconut. Yes. Focus. Island Coconut. I'm wondering how this is going to be a coconut islandy scent from Five and Below. Yeah, we'll try it out. And then we have Love Seduce. Wait, there we go. Love Seduce. Now, as always, I don't know what these are supposed to smell like. I'm going in blind. I'm going in blind. So this will be really cute. Okay, first we're gonna start with the Paris Lights. I've never smelled a Paris Hilton fragrance in my life, so I really have nothing to compare it to, but if it smells good, then it smells good, and that's that. Again, as always, I always say it, these are Five and Below fragrances, okay? Do not expect to get like $100 fragrance from Five and Below, okay? You're gonna get what you pay for. A lot of times they are gonna be even weaker than Bath and Body Works, and those are just body mists. But I do love a Bath and Body Works. You can see right there. All right, this is cute. Oh yeah, that is, look at that. That is really cute. It is given like Paris Hilton in a way, right? She would love a good sparkle. All right, let's see. It's pretty. That's pretty. Oh, it's like a little bit of a floral. It smells girly, very pretty. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I'm wondering what the platinum, how different the platinum is going to be. If I can find the notes, I'll pop the notes up right here for you guys because I don't know what these are supposed to be smelling like, but it does smell very good, very pretty, very floral. Okay. The longer I sit with this, it's starting to, it has like a little bit of a powderiness, like a powdery floral. It's given almost like an early 2000s. I don't know how to explain that, but it smells like what I would believe like the early 2000s perfumes were that were popular back then. It's just, I don't know. I like it. It does smell pretty good. For a Five and Below, okay. Now they do have some hitters. Don't think I'm saying they don't have any good perfumes. They do, but as longevity and stuff goes, I don't know. It's really hit and miss there. All right, now let's try Platinum Lights. This is, okay. Wow. This is a big chunky bottle. This is crazy. This is, I don't know if y'all seen that, but it just like exploded. I'm gonna spray it because I feel like it's gonna be better than just smelling it like that. Huh. I don't know. They're kind of mixing together. Hold on. This is different. This is way different than the other one. Oh yeah, hold on. I really got to smell this without having anything else being sprayed, but it's giving slutty, mistress of the night, very, yes, very mischievous. I don't know how to explain this one. I can't tell if it's sweet or what. It smells good from what I'm smelling in the air. It's not great. I mean, it's not horrible, but I can't decipher what that one is. Again, I'll pop the notes up over here if I can find them. It is kind of hard to find the notes of the 5 and below fragrances for some reason. I don't know. Anyways, we're just gonna power through. Island Coconut. Now, islands, coconuts. I guess it's supposed to be tropical. We'll find out. I do love a good tropical. Yeah, I can smell that through it all. Yep. That one's pretty good. It almost has like a buttery scent. Weird. But it's not bad. Let's try it again. Like a sunscreen. Sunscreen, coconutty, butter. I don't know. That's a little weird. It is a little weird. It does smell good. But I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that butter note. It's a little different. It's a little different. That's got to grow on me. Now, hold on. Pause for the cause because we got Mary Cookie. Now, Mary Cookie is a buttery popcorn cookie scent. That's good in its own way. But when I'm trying to smell like islands, coconuts, and tropicals, I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, anyways, last but not least, we have Love Seduce. Hold on. Pause for the cause. Love Seduce, yes. All right. I don't know. Have high hopes for this one. Hopefully this is given very sexy, very pretty. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, wait. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's a very pretty, sexy fragrance like I was expecting. I was hoping for. But it also has like a bit of like a shampoo-y scent, like a fresh out the shower shampoo scent. I don't know. It's different. If you want to smell fresh and sexy, yeah. I don't know. It's not bad. It really isn't bad. I like them all. I like them all. This one's a little questionable. I don't know if you want to smell like butter. That's yeah, go for it. But I gotta say, these are pretty daggone good. Now they were sold out last time, which is why I never ended up trying these. And now I can kind of see why, because they don't smell half bad. So yeah, if you can find these at your 5 and below, try them out. And I mean, it's only $5. It's only $5. You can't beat it. And then get this candle. Get the boba candle because this smells so good. Sweet blueberry, something. I don't know. It's sugary sweet. It's good and it's cute. Win-win. All right. I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.